A Metro nonprofit is hoping to draw attention to the growing number of child abuse cases following the murder of a young Oklahoma girl. Her caretakers are charged in connection to her death. News 9's Angelicia Bruton has more on the growing problem.
Both caregivers for Athena Brownfield are now behind bars at the Caddo County Detention Center. A nonprofit organization says this is just one of many child neglect cases in Oklahoma. It's been more than a week since the Oklahoma State Bureau of Investigation started looking into Athena Brownfield's disappearance. Court documents say a postal worker found her sister wandering alone near her home.
If it weren't for that postal worker, there's no telling what would have happened to her older sister.
A nonprofit says Athena's case is hard to hear, but sadly, there's more like it.
In 2020, there were 42 child deaths related to abuse or neglect in the state that were investigated. In that year, there were more than 14,000 reports that were substantiated of individual child abuse and neglect cases.
Abby Patton is an attorney with experience in child neglect cases. She's not associated with this case, but says an issue she comes across in her work is guardianship.
In Oklahoma, we've had issues in the recent past of people placing children with individuals, whether that be family members, whether that be friends of family, without taking the proper legal steps, which means there's no court or oversight. These children are just placed into homes that no one knows where they're at.
While DHS would not confirm if Alicia and Ivan Adams had legal guardianship over Athena, relatives tell News 9 Athena's mother had informally given her daughters to her cousin Alicia. The girls allegedly had never been enrolled in school. Based off of past cases, Patton says legal guardianship is imperative.
It provides a legal authority for a third-party individual to get health care for these children, to enroll these children in schools, because that third-party guardian then acts in the place of a parent as if they had legal rights to act as a parent.
A state medical examiner is still working to determine if remains found in Rush Springs earlier this week are of Athena Brownfield. In Anadarko, Angelicia Bruton, Oklahoma's Own, News 9.